Sometimes because we may not have the numbers, we may not have an ability to stop. But I would want to urge, especially the majority side. We've been in this house with Honorable Kimani Ichung'wah for a long time. This should actually be the easiest parliament. I've said it before and I'd repeat it. It should be the easiest parliament because you have the numbers. But having the numbers does not mean emasculating the voices of others. And sometimes through technicalities, you actually emasculate voices of others. So I would want to encourage going forward, especially when you have substantive laws like what Honorable TJ is saying, miscellaneous bills. The members need to have time. This rush where sometimes you have one bill prosecuted from first, second, and committee of the whole House and third reading within 2 days. It's not proper. And very soon, Mr. Speaker, some of us may actually be forced to go to court to challenge the processes on the issue of that cardinal principle of having a say. You may have your way, but we need to have our say. Thank you, Mr. Speaker.
Thank you, Honorable Millie. Honorable Millie, from the little experience I have gathered in this House, there have been very sparing moments where bills have been, so to speak, fast-tracked. And even the fast-tracking has not curtailed debate. Both myself, my deputy, and members of the panel, I encourage them to give as many members an opportunity to be heard as they possibly can. Quite often, it's you yourselves who tell the Speaker, we have overventilated on this matter, we are repeating ourselves, put the question. No Speaker on their own puts the question. So try and also be in the House more often than I've noticed, so that whenever you want to speak, you'll be given the opportunity. It will be an awkward trajectory for a member of this House to pass a law and then rush to court to challenge it, because you also enjoined in collective responsibility when a law is passed here. But that I leave it to your conscience. Honorable members, I now put the question that this House resolves to exempt the business appearing as order numbers 11, 12, 15, 16, 17, 18, and 19 in today's order paper from the provisions of Standing Order 43, being a Wednesday morning, a day allotted for business not sponsored by the majority or the minority party or business sponsored by a committee. As members of that opinion say aye. Aye. Will those of the contrary opinion say nay? The ayes have it. Next order.
Order number 9, procedural motion. Approval of a Thursday morning sitting.
Majority Leader.